Hello techies, this is Miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Valor. And for today's video, I am going to show you the iPhone XR unboxing you never knew you wanted. So stick around and let's have fun with this. This is everything that comes inside of the iPhone XR box. You've probably seen this a million times, and here's a million and one. The outside of the box is made out of a high-grade glossy paper that is so good to put your hands all over. After pulling apart the top and bottom part of the box, inside you'll find a plastic container that you actually cannot pull away from the bottom housing. I tried pulling it very hard and it just wouldn't budge. I'm very curious to see what is underneath, so let's take a look. I busted out my X-Acto knife and made my first incision. I thought it was gonna go through like butter, but man was I wrong, cause that box is thick. So I decided to go cave girl style and opened it up with my bare hands. So I pulled it apart, and then it's kind of cool because it looks like a tub, like when you pull apart a tub inside of a house. I don't know, that was pretty cool. And then I just started pulling apart the rest. And then while I was at it, I also unboxed the top of the box. So now that I flattened both the top and the bottom part, I went ahead and I started smooshing down the tub, the little plastic part, and try to smoosh it down as much as I could, and that's about as flat as it can go. I hope you guys found this very entertaining. I had a blast doing it. This by no means was educational, but hey, this has been my unboxing of the iPhone XR box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you around next time. Ta-da!